adding my police chief, I am the mayor of Los Gatos, because I want everyone to see we are Los Gatos, we are Santa Clara County, and we are Americans. I just want to thank all of you for showing up. I'm one of the many who never reported all the hate incidents against me because I was supposed to smile, I was supposed to keep quiet, and I didn't want to cause shame to my family. You are the ones that make me feel strong. You are the ones that make me feel supported. And you are the ones that are going to help all of us eradicate this hate. As my friend over there says, tama na, sobra na, we are done. I do not want to hear another one of my Filipinas being attacked simply for being Filipino. So thank you for showing up, and together we can do this. Thank you.